equal to 3 and minus 3 by 2. Now doing LCM on the LHS side, I will have 2x into 2x plus 3 plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 whole upon x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now the denominator I am taking on the other side and numerator I am solving on the LHS side. So I will have 4x square plus 6x plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So I will have 4x square plus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. Dividing with 2, I will have 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Now solving the quadratic equation, 2 3s are 6. 6 are whose sum is coming as 5. So 2 and 3. So I am making it as 2x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. I have splitted the middle term. Now from the first two I am taking 2x common. So x plus 1 plus from the second two I am taking 3 common. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So I got x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore either x plus 1 will be 0 or 2x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0, so x will be minus 1, or 2x will be equal to minus 3, so x equal to minus 3 by 2. But here they have given us that x is not equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore x equal to minus 1 is solution. Out of a group of birds, 7 upon 2 times the square root of the total number are playing on the share of a pond. The 2 remaining ones are sitting on a nearby tree. Find the total number of birds. So, here let the number of birds be x. That means total are x birds. Now 7 upon 2 root x plus 2 will be equal to x, because 7 upon 2 times root x are playing on the pond and 2 are remaining. So total should be this much. So if I do the LCM 2 and send it on that side, so it will become 2x minus 7 root x minus 4 equal to 0. Taking x equal to y square, I can say 2y square minus 7y minus 4 equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term 8 such that sum is 7 minus 7. So 2y square minus 8y plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So 2y y minus 4 plus 1 y minus 4 equal to 0. So y minus 4 into 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So y minus 4 equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So either y will be 4 or 2y will be minus 1. So y will be minus half. Now bird can't be minus, so I am rejecting that. So therefore x equal to y square. So x equal to 4 square, that is 60. Therefore total birds are 60. Next, it says a farmer wishes to grow a 100-meter square rectangular garden. Since he has only 30-meter barbed wire, he fences three sides of the rectangular garden, letting compound wall of the house act as the fourth side fence. Find the dimensions of the garden. So I can say let the length of one side be x meter and breadth be y meter. Here one side of a compound wall and 30-meter wire is used for fencing. So I can say x plus y plus x equal to 30. The y equal to 30 minus 2x. Now, given area of rectangular garden equal to 100 meter square. So therefore xy equal to 100. So x into 30 minus 2x equal to 100. So 30x minus 2x square equal to 100. So I can say 2x square minus 30x plus 100 equal to 0. Now removing 2, dividing 2 with 2. So x square minus 15x plus 50 equal to 0. So x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 equal to 0. So x minus 10 and minus 5 x minus 10 equal to 0. So I can say x minus 5 into x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 5 will be 0 or x minus 10 will be 0. So either x can be 5 or x can be 10. So when x equal to 5, y will be 30 minus 2 into 5. So that will be 30 minus 10. So 20 meter. When x equal to 10, y will be 30 minus 2 into 10. So 30 minus 20. So y equal to 10. Therefore the dimensions of garden will be 5 meter into 20 meter or 10 meter into 10 meter. Next it says find the value of p for which the quadratic equation p plus 1 x square minus 6 into p plus 1 x plus 3 into p plus 9 equal to 0, where p is not equal to minus 1 has equal roots. Hence find the roots of the equation. So here I am given p plus 1 x square minus 6 into p plus 1 x plus 3 into p plus 9 equal to 0 has equal roots. Therefore, d should be 0. So therefore b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So here a equal to p plus 1, b equal to minus 6 into p plus 1, and c equal to 3 into p plus 9. So b square minus 4ac will be minus 6 into p plus 1 whole square minus 4 into p plus 1 into 3 p plus 9. So that will be 36 p plus 1 whole square minus 4 into p plus 1 into 3 p plus 9. So if I take p plus 1 common, I will have 36 into p plus 1 minus 12 p plus 9. So solving this, p plus 1 into 36p plus 36 minus 12p minus 108. This all should be 0. So I can say solving this, I will have 24p minus 72 equal to 0, because p is not equal to minus 1, which is the solution of the first bracket. So that is ignored. So this should be 0. So therefore 24p equal to 72. So p will be 72 upon 24, which is equal to 3. Now putting 3 into the main equation, putting p equal to 3 in the equation, 4x square minus 24x plus 36 equal to 0. Dividing with 4, so x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 3 whole square equal to 0. So x equal to 3. These are the solutions. Therefore, the value of p is 3, and the roots of the equation formed are 3 and 3. Now the next question says, in a class test the sum of Shrishti's marks in maths and science is 45. If she had one more mark in maths and one less in science, the products of marks would have been 500. Find the marks in maths and science. So let Shrishti's marks in maths equal to x. So therefore science marks will be 45 minus x, because sum of both the marks is 45. Now if she gets one more mark in maths, that is x plus 1, and one less marks in science, so 45 minus x minus 1, so product comes as 500. So I can say x plus 1 into 44 minus x equal to 500. So this becomes 44x minus x square plus 44 minus x equal to 500. So x square minus 43x plus 456 equal to 0. So therefore I can say x square minus 24x minus 19x plus 456 equal to 0. So from the first two I am taking x, so x minus 24 minus 19 from the next two, so x minus 24 equal to 0. So either x minus 24 or x minus 19 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 24 or 19. So now if x equal to 19, then 45 minus x will be equal to 45 minus 19, that is 26 mark. And if x equal to 24, then 45 minus x will be equal to 45 minus 24, that is 21. Hence, she either got 19 marks in maths and 26 in science, or got 24 marks in maths and 21 marks in science. Sejal started a business where she sells earrings online. She made rupees 12,000 in sales in her first month. In second month, when she decreased the price of her products by rupees 20, she sold 40 more items and increased her total sale by rupees 2,000. At what price did she sell the earrings in the second month? So, let the number of products sold in the first month be and the price of earrings in the first month be P. Therefore, number of products sold in first month will be equal to rupees 12,000 upon rupees P. Now, price of earring in the second month was decreased by rupees 20. So rupees P minus 20. And the number of products sold in the second month was 12,000 upon P plus 40, because 40 more sold. So now, according to the question, I can say P minus 20 into 12,000 upon P plus 40 will be equal to 12,000 plus 2,000. So solving this, I will have P minus 20 into 12,000 plus 40P equal to 14,000 P. So 12,000 P plus 40P square minus 24,000 plus minus 800P minus 14,000P will be equal to 0. So at last I will get, after solving this equation, P square minus 70P minus 6,000 equal to 0. So solving this, P square minus 120P plus 50P minus 6,000 equal to 0. So taking P common from the first two, P minus 120, and from second 50 common, so P minus 120 equal to 0. So I can say P minus 120 or P plus 50 will be equal to 0. So either P equal to 120 or minus 50. Here products can be minus, so therefore P equal to 120. Now so therefore price of earrings in the second month will be equal to P minus 20. So that is rupees 120 minus 20. So rupees 100. Next question says a wall measures 5 meter in length and 4 meter in height. The outer portion of the wall of uniform width x meter will be painted and the central portion will be tiled. The total budget including the tiles at rupees 500 per meter square and paint at rupees 200 per meter square is rupees 5800. Find x such that the work is completed as per the budget. So here I can say length of the wall is 5 meter, height of the wall is 4 meter. Now the length of the tiled portion equal to 5 minus 2x meter and height of the tile portion is 4 minus 2x meter. Therefore, area of tile portion will be equal to 5 minus 2x into 4 minus 2x meter square. Area of wall is 5 into 4, that is 20 meter square. Now area of the painted portion equal to 20 minus 5 minus 2x into 4 minus 2x meter square. So, according to the question, 500 into 5 minus 2x into 4 minus 2x plus 200 into 20 minus 5 minus 2x into 4 minus 2x equal to 5800. So, solving this, I will have 500 into 20 minus 8x minus 10x plus 4x square plus 200 into 20 minus 20 plus 8x plus 10x minus 4x square equal to 5800. Now if I solve the whole equation, the final I will have 12x square minus 54x plus 42 equal to 0. So dividing with 6, I will have 2x square minus 9x plus 7 equal to 0. Now making the factors, I will have 2x square minus 7x minus 2x plus 7 equal to 0. So from the first two I will take x common, so 2x minus 7, and minus 1 common from the second two, so 2x minus 7 equal to 0. So either I will have 2x minus 7 or x minus 1 equal to 0. So either x I will get 7 by 2 or 1. So 7 by 2 means 3.5 and 1. So if x equal to 1, therefore x equal to 1, as x equal to 3.5 is not possible. Next question says, is 0.2 a root of the equation x square minus 0.4 equal to 0? Justify. So here I can say x square minus 0.4 equal to, in place of x I am putting 0.2 whole square minus 0.4. So 0.2 into 0.2 will be 0.04 minus 0.4. So that is coming as minus 0.38. So that won't be equal to 0. Therefore 0.2 is not a root of the equation x square minus 0.4 equal to 0. Next question says, if a and b are roots of the equation x square plus ax minus b equal to 0, find a and b. So here equation given to me is x square plus ax minus b equal to 0. So sum of the roots should be equal to a plus b, which is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus a. Product of roots equal to ab, which is equal to c by a, here which will be minus b. Therefore A plus B equal to minus A. So B equal to minus 2A. This will be first equation, and AB equal to minus B. So A will be minus 1. Putting 2 in 1, B equal to minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2. Therefore, A equal to minus 1, B equal to plus 2. Next question says represent the given situation in the form of a quadratic equation. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Therefore, x into x plus 1 equal to 306. So if I multiply, I will get x square plus x equal to 306. Therefore, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. It's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is the required equation. If a boy's age and the father's age amount together to 32 years, fifth part of the product of their exceeds the boy's age by 10 years. Find how old they are. So, here, let the age of boy be x years. Therefore, age of father be 32 minus x years. Now, 1/5 of product of their ages means 1 upon 5 x into 32 minus x equal to x plus 10 years. So, I can say 32x minus x square equal to 5x plus 50. So now bringing everything on one side, x square minus 27x plus 50 equal to 0. So splitting the middle term, I will have x square minus 25x minus 2x plus 50 equal to 0. So taking x common, so x minus 25, taking minus 2 common, so x minus 25 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 25 and x minus 2 are the factors. So, therefore, either x minus 25 will be 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So, x equal to 25 and x equal to 2. Now, consider age of son to be 25 years, then father's age will be 32 minus 25, that is 7 years. So, which is not possible. Therefore, age of son is 2 years and father's age is 32 minus 2, that is 30 years. Now, the next question says the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. So, I can suppose let the base of triangle be x centimeter. Therefore, altitude is 7 less, so I can say altitude will be x minus 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter, so therefore using Pythagoras theorem I can say hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So 13 square equal to x square plus x minus 7 whole square. So 169 will be equal to x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. So I can say 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. Dividing by 2 on both the sides, I will have x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0. So, therefore, taking x common, x minus 12, taking plus 5 common from the next two, x minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 12 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, either x minus 12 can be 0 or x plus 5 can be 0. So if x minus 12 is 0, so x will be equal to 12 or x will be equal to minus 5. Now here minus sign can't be possible. Therefore length will be equal to 12 centimeter as length can be negative. Therefore, base equal to 12 centimeter and altitude will be 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. Next question says find the nature of root of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So, equation given to me is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3 and c equal to 4. So, discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. So, which will be equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So, that will be 48 minus 48 which is equal to 0. As d equal to 0, thus nature of roots are real and equal. Therefore, roots will be minus b by 2a. That is minus of minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. So that will be 2 root 3 by. Next it says, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 45. So, let the age of one friend be x. So, therefore, the age of other friend will be 20 minus x. Now 4 years ago, first friend will be x minus 4 years and second friend will be 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x years. So therefore, according to given situation, x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 45. Therefore, sixteen x minus x square minus 42 plus 4x equal to 45. So therefore, x square plus 45 minus 12x plus 42 equal to 0. So therefore, x square minus 12x plus 87 equal to 0. Now let us check d. So d will be b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 12 square minus 4 into 1 into 87. So this I can clearly say it will be less than 0. Therefore, the situation is not possible. Now next question says, solve for x. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. X not equal to minus 4 comma 7. So here I am given 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. So now doing LCM on both sides, I will have x plus 4 into x minus 7. So x minus 7 minus x plus 4 equal to 11 upon 30. So this will be x minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. So x gone. So minus 7 and minus 4 will be minus 11 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. See, both sides 11 is also common. So can I cut this 11? So now cross multiplication, minus 30 will be equal to x plus 4 into x minus 7. So it will give me x square plus 4x minus 7x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So now splitting the middle term, I will have x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So from first two terms x common, so x minus 2. From second two terms minus 1 common, so x minus 2 equal to 0. Now I will have x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 2 or x equal to. Now next question says, if one root of the quadratic equation 3x square plus px plus 4 equal to 0 is 2 by 3, then find the value of p and also find the other root of the equation. So here quadratic equation given is 3x square plus px plus 4 equal to 0. One root given is 2 by 3. So therefore it should satisfy the equation. So therefore I can say 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus p into 2 by 3 plus 4 equal to 0. So 3 into 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3p plus 4 equal to 0. So cutting I will have 4 upon 3 plus 4 plus 2 by 3p equal to 0. So I can say 2 by 3p will be equal to minus 16 by 3. So cutting both sides 3. So p will be equal to minus 16 by 2. So therefore p will be equal to minus 8. Now I got the value of p. Therefore quadratic equation is 3x square minus 8x plus 4 equal to 0. Now to find the zeros, 3 4s are 12. So 12 such factor whose sum is coming as minus 8. So I will have 3x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So from the first two I am taking 3x common, so x minus 2. From next to minus 2, so x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore I can say x minus 2 into 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore x will be 2 or x will be equal to 2 by 3. Now next question says the roots alpha and beta of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 3 into k minus 1 equal to 0 are such that alpha minus beta equal to 1. Find the value of k. So here the equation given to me is x square minus 5x plus 3 into k minus 1 equal to 0, and it is given that alpha minus beta equal to 1. Now sum of the roots that is alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a. So here if I see carefully it is minus 5 upon 1. So that will be 5. So therefore I can say k alpha plus beta equal to 5. Let me give this as 2 number and alpha minus beta I was having, so I will give 1 number solving. So alpha minus beta equal to 1 and alpha plus beta equal to 5. Using elimination method, 2 alpha equal to 6. Therefore alpha will be equal to 3. Putting alpha equal to 3 in 1, 3 minus beta equal to 1. So therefore beta equal to 2. Now I got both alpha and beta. Then product of roots is C by A. So C is 3 into K minus 1 upon 1. So here the roots are 3 and 2. So 6 it should be into 3 into K minus 1. So 3 cancel. So I can say K equal to 3. Now next question says the sum of the areas of two squares is 157 meter square. If the sum of their perimeters is 68 meter, find the sides of the two square. So let me suppose let x and y be the lengths of the sides of two squares. Therefore area equal to side square, and the sum of the areas will be x square plus y square equal to 157. So this I will get the first equation. See, square of first square's area will be x square and second square's area is y square, and the question says sum of the two squares area. So x square plus y square equal to 157. Same way, perimeter formula is perimeter equal to 4 into side. So the first square side will be 4x and second square side will be 4y, and that is given to me as 68. So if I cut it out 4 all, so I will have x plus y equal to 17. So therefore y equal to 17 minus x. Now this second equation I am putting in first. So therefore putting 2 in 1. So therefore I will have x square plus 17 minus x whole square equal to 157. So when I open the bracket I will have x square plus 17 square will be 289 minus 2 into 17 into x plus x square equal to 157. So I will get x square plus 289 minus 34x plus x square equal to 157. So solving the whole equation I will get x square minus 17x plus 66 equal to 0. So doing the splitting the middle term I will get x square minus 11x minus 6x plus 66 equal to 0. So taking x common from the first two, so x minus 11 minus 6 common from next two, so x minus 11 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 11 or x minus 6 will be 0. Therefore x equal to 11 or x equal to 6. So therefore I can say sides of squares will be 6 and 11 respectively. Now next question says a line segment AB of length 2 meter is divided at a point C into two parts such that AC square equal to AB into CB. Find the length of CB. So let the length of AC be x. Then BC equal to 2 minus x meter. Now, therefore, AC square equal to AB into CB. This is given to me. So, that will be x square will be equal to 2 into 2 minus x. So, x square equal to 4 minus 2x. So, x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 4, c equal to minus 4. So therefore roots will be x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that will be minus b. So minus 2 plus or minus b square. So minus 2 plus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 upon 2 into 1. So this will be minus 2 plus or minus, if I solve this root I will have 20 upon 2. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 upon 2. So if I cut from both the roots, I will have minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 1. So therefore roots are minus 1 plus or minus root 5. Therefore roots I can say are minus 1 plus root 5 or minus 1 minus root 5. So when x equal to minus 1 plus root 5, BC will be 2 minus minus 1 plus root 5. So that will be 3 minus root 5. So that will be 3 minus 2.24. That is 0.76 meter. And when x equal to minus 1 minus root 5, so therefore BC will be equal to 2 minus 1 minus root 5. So that will be 3 plus root 5. So which will be equal to 3 plus 2.24. So that will be 5.24. Hence the length of BC is 3 minus root 5, that is 0.76. As says, find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation px square minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0 is 6 times the other. So equation given to me is px square minus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. So here a equal to p, b equal to minus 14 and c equal to 8. Therefore I can say alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus 14 upon p. So 14. Let beta equal to 6 alpha. So therefore alpha plus 6 alpha equal to 14 by p. So therefore 7 alpha equal to 14 by p. So therefore alpha equal to 2 by p, and beta will be 6 alpha, so that will be 6 into 2 by p, 12 upon p. Now alpha beta equal to 8 upon p. So therefore 2 upon p into 12 by p equal to 8 by p. So 24 upon p square equal to 8 by p. So if I cut 1 p, I will have p equal to 24 by 8. So p equal to 3.